Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm going back to Bali, and Sayang is staying here for a while.
So I will stay for 1 week here because my project is until Saturday. So I have to visit around 15 schools in Nusa Penida. So yeah, Damian will be back to Bali, and tomorrow Damian will fly out to Bali because we'll go somewhere.
I'm going somewhere for a while, making the videos. I'm not going there for holidays, like typically going for holidays, so please don't comment as I'm leaving my wife here. This is very offensive for me, guys. Actually feeling sad because that's our YouTube channel and this is our agreement. Yes, Sayang?
He needs to develop his channel.
Exactly. And yeah, so tomorrow will be travel vlog. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the new harbor in Nusa Penida because it's totally new, looks very fancy, and similar will be in Sanur, so stay tuned, guys, and see you later, Sayang. And welcome back to Bali one more time, Sanur Harbor. Just back to Sanur, gonna go home, take a shower because my skin is so salty. Later I'm gonna show you the Sanur. Meanwhile, I just wanna recommend this Idola boat to going to Nusa Penida. Highly recommended. We not collaborate together, but highly recommended, guys.
For last you in Singapore, right?
Singapore and Vietnam.
Yeah.
So guys, I just ordered.
Okay.
Yo, what's your name?
Ferry.
Ferry. I just ordered a Grab, and I come. And he already, okay, he knew my name because of obviously Grab have an application. But you're a YouTuber, you were in Singapore, you were in Vietnam, right? Your wife is local, yeah? So you never know who gonna pick you up today. How's the business? All good?
Oh, getting up at the moment. Tourists.
More tourists, yeah?
Okay. I have always normal, brother.
That's
no
good.
more bullshit.
Yeah. No more, guys.
Yeah.
All is good. Okay, I put the seatbelt. See, the struggle is real, guys. Sometimes if you wanna achieve some goals in your life, you have to sacrifice many things, and you have to keep pushing no matter what people say, and never give up. That's why even if you are living in the paradise islands like Bali, or you can live in Nusa Penida or wherever, doesn't mean as you are living a paradise life, because well, it's not that easy sometimes, except you are just a rich kid of the rich family and you have an endless support from somebody, or you are just in general super rich. Also people like that coming to Bali. And also, if you have to also remember, as having a holidays in Bali is totally different than living here, except you are retired. If you are retired and have a big pension, you're just enjoying your life. But after that, the struggle is real, guys. Anyway, no more of the nostalgic talk. Alright, I'm in the area of Smorgas Cafe. Yeah, still open actually, always open, never closed. If you're gonna go deep inside this small gang, there is German consulate in Pantai Karang or Karang Beach. Also local beach access, very nice. Here is one nice Italian restaurant, also not so busy yet, but yeah. Here also supposed to be a big diving company, but they are closed. Bread basket at the front and some boutiques, everything around. Taxi driver. Transport, here we go. Little promotion for the local people.
Yes.
Hold on, what's happening with my camera?
Wayan.
Wayan Sumedana. Where are you from, my friend?
I'm from Bali.
Yeah, that's
Balinese.
I see Wayan, but where in Bali? Where?
Bali.
Where?
Manggis.
Manggis?
Is part of Bali, yeah.
There is Alila Manggis Hotel there.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I know.
Yes, that is correct.
How's the business, my friend? All good?
It's okay. Right now it's down little bit.
Little bit?
Yeah, but now little bit up now.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's more coming, yeah.
Very nice ring.
Yes, very nice rings, you know.
Very nice. Alright. I wish you good luck with all the best, okay? Take care, my friend. Always happy to help the local people, guys. And anyway, always happy to having we chat with you guys as well. If you see me anywhere, sometimes some of you are looking at me. I mean, I wanna meet Damian somewhere on the street. You never know where I gonna be. However, in the next upcoming week, I'm out. Sorry guys, but next time, that's for sure. And Sanur Center Live is about 4:15. And Lagava situation, going into area of what is it called? Casablanca, not in Morocco, but Casablanca bar in Sanur. Here was the TheMonkeys in Sanur. Unfortunately, the restaurant is gone. Sad, but what we can do, right? Waiting for better times for them. The Mediterranean cuisine, actually. Casablanca, I think, open only during the weekends at the moment, because door open 3, but every night, but not today, not during the weekdays. So that's mean maybe on weekends only, or depends how many people passing by. And this is Sala Bistro, also nice place, not so bad. And this is the entrance to the what's the name of the hotel? I forgot. Swissbell Hotel in Sanur, always open. Yeah, really nice budget hotel in Sanur, guys. And this is the area of Wicked Parrot, the Irish pub in Sanur, open. I saw after 8 o'clock there are actually quite many people enjoying their time, but no, maybe not during daytime, it's too hot. I mean, I complain it's hot, but actually many people thinking exactly the same. And this is the entrance to the Gria Santrian. I don't know why so many welcoming congratulations poster, maybe say open something inside there, and heading down to show you this area a little bit. Here we go, this is Starbucks in Sanur, Gria Santrian. Actually on the possession of land of Gria Santrian is Starbucks in Sanur. Very interesting fact, probably I don't know, doesn't really matter. This is Uluwatu store. This is very nice store for the ladies if you would like to have a premium quality clothes in Bali. Some tourists walking just behind me over there. So yeah, I mean, that's good. People are coming more and more. Everybody already more optimistic in Bali. Sanur is no different than other parts of Bali, getting better and better, guys. And for me personally, Sanur is the best, most favorite part of Bali for living. I'm not sure about the holidaying, but for living definitely. Just wanted to show you a little bit around. That's how it looks like. Some people also said as the Sanur is only for old people. I have to disagree with you guys, because these ladies are like just teenagers. And personally, when we moved to Bali, I was just 25, guys. So definitely not old. Sanur is definitely for everyone. It's just totally different than Canggu, for instance. That's it. Another reconstruction. Something is going on around, so people are very optimistic. Business is bouncing back slowly and slowly. Anyways, guys, I need to tidy up my bags, prepare some stuff. I need to go to Jimbar and pick up something what I ordered. Also new printing t-shirts like this. Needs to have a more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow on next one. Thank you so much, guys.